Hello, I'm Bill Barwick. Thanks for stopping by Country Arithmetic. Let me take the next minute or so and share with you why we can save you money. You see, here in the country, we have an unfair advantage over the city dealers. We're not stuck with high city real estate prices. We're not stuck with the high city taxes. And we're not stuck with the high city advertising costs. And since we're out in the country, we don't have to pay all those high city overhead expenses. Now, every dealer pays the same for their cars and trucks. The difference is that we don't have all those high city expenses to pass along to our customers. That makes Country Arithmetic the easiest way to figure a price, with major savings passed along to you. That means we can give you more for your trade-in. That means we can give you lower payments on new and used vehicles. And that means we can give you the lowest possible price on a vehicle. Country Arithmetic makes it worth the drive to the country. Why not give us a try to see how Country Arithmetic works for you? You want more for your trade-in? Click the button now and tell us how much. You want lower payments? Click the button now and tell us what your budget is. You want the lowest possible price up front? Click the button now and tell us what you want. Remember, we don't need to finagle any complicated formulas to figure out the best deal. Just good old country reading, writing, and arithmetic. Thanks for stopping by. You go ahead and click on through to us so we can save you some hassle and some money.